we're going to have a hard stop very soon. So let's get into it. You have questions. I've answered. We raise our hands. We get in line. We be polite to one another. We get our questions answered. Yes, Lori, you're up first. Yes, Hawaii.
What is the best way to get the best deal for the marketing part of the marketing? My anniversary is coming up.
It's always ask support what's the best deal that they can give you. It's like,
Yep.
They give you
That was a great answer. Thank you.
Instead of just like, going out there and just free for all in it. Ask.
Exactly. I didn't want to just click the button and go, oh,
yeah,
okay.
I know. And all of our haste, we're like, woo! Click the button. I'm with you. Yes.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Love to you. Nice to see you. Sandy Tammy.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so on my Teams, you know how they had that little button that said add to your account?
Okay.
Like if I had a template or a website or whatever.
Yeah. Add file.
And they could add to their account. It's not there anymore.
I don't know. You're gonna have to show me, tell me, or navigate to it. Here, hold up. I'll show you.
Okay.
No.
Hi, Tammy.
Hi. What's up?
It's Tammy Sandy.
Sandy Tammy.
Sandy Tammy. Okay.
Okay, so if you go to my Teams and go to like team content. Okay, and then like scroll down to
this is my team, but
oh, okay. So just go hit something that you could share. Okay, so it used to have add to my account.
If it is like if it is a campaign.
So my website that I built, so it used to say add to my account. So I
know the problem. Sandy. Wait a minute. This one. I think we're this one. All three. Okay. Okay. Okay, because you like which one is it in?
Go down to travel agent info, and then scroll down. All the way down that one right there.
Do you see how you have it added as a link and not as a template? So when you click add, you're gonna add a web template, not a link. Template.
Oh, okay.
Go to whatever one this is. I don't know. Passport to Profits. Okay.
Yeah.
Done. See it, and then you delete this one. May I?
Okay. Yeah.
And then when the person clicks on it.
Yay!
Brilliant.
You're brilliant. Okay. Okay.
Do we want to do this no passport needed while we're here or no? That is.
I'll go do them. It's okay. I'll go do them.
Great. There we have it.
You're awesome. Yay!
Yay, Sandy Tammy. Thank you, Jean.
You're welcome. Any update on the videos and courses yet?
I think they're done.
Okay, I'm just waiting for the next update to come out.
I heard about it. What was that?
I'm just waiting for the next update to come out then, probably.
Probably, yes. But I saw it in an update though. You don't have any update in your app?
No, I'm still on 2.6.2 and there's no update available yet, so it's probably not general release yet.
Okay.
So I'll wait till tomorrow after the announcements and then I'll check it again because
I saw that.
And was YouTube included in that? I know it's a different error message. Okay, if YouTube's still messing up, then I'll report that one. I didn't report it last week, 'cause I assumed it was probably all being worked on together, so.
Yeah, I would assume the same. I don't know though, but
Okay, all right, I'll check it out tomorrow, thank you.
uh, yes, keys to my heart. You're muted.
I touched it. I just didn't touch it fast enough. All right. 2 questions about my avatar. 1, do we know the status on it? And 2, when I was training my avatar, I noticed that when it comes to adding means of contact, I am limited to, let me see, where am I? It's keys to better you at gmail.com is the login.
Okay.
And it's the second tab. It's the keys to better you tab.
Sorry, I'm asking about your avatar at the same time.
No problem.
Where are you? One
I'm known for my patience.
I am not. Oh, I thought that was funny. Keys to
So since we are limited under Team Social Links, right?
okay.
I'm
Wait a
assuming
second. Oh, no, here. Yes. Okay, where am I going?
you're going to Teams to the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Okay, what do I do?
You're coming down to train my avatar
Uh-huh.
and going to enter basic knowledge number 2.
Uh-huh.
So you see where it says Team Social Links?
Team social. Yep.
All right. So I always want them to be able to book on my calendar, right? And then and on my WhatsApp. I want them to be able to reach me whenever. Um, I also would like my Instagram in here because that would be the one more that I needed, right?
Uh-huh.
But since this is limited, is there
Uh-huh.
going to be a way where I can just put like
Other
my
important info?
yes?
Here you go.
Okay.
You put
So under my yeah, so because I couldn't figure out how to explain what this business is from my business name. Because although I have Legal Shield Now site, got backup all the things, right?
Uh-huh.
I only do one thing.
Uh-huh.
I'm a solution specialist, and whatever you need, first you have to tell me what the problem is, and then I'll help you with the solution.
Uh-huh.
You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
So this was the best way I could figure to verbalize that to make it make sense in the shortest amount of words possible.
Okay.
So I'm hoping that made sense.
If it doesn't, trust me, they would be right on you asking.
Okay, cool. Well,
Yeah.
I guess I'll take silence as
Mhm.
a plus.
They have no problem being like, yo, this is what we need. But
Wonderful.
add your other important info there, okay?
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Harvey.
Yes, I just recently upgraded from the basic site to the next level up. And I was looking at websites, and when I see the websites and it says, build your first website, you choose the category. what's interesting, every category you put in there, the templates displayed are all the same. There's nothing specific for the category. Is
Yep.
that the way it's supposed to be?
Yes, unless you want to go to like here. Right, I'm going to use this account as
Right.
reference, but you know how you can add new,
Yes.
right? Say no, I want to build it myself. You can use these templates here, but AI will not fill it out. You'll have to do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want AI, they will construct a website like its own AI will create its own template for the category. Is that right?
For the type website, sales funnel, landing page.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the significant value or that I've received for that upgrade, other than the websites? I'm not quite clear. It's not a CRM, right? When it says email, I'm just allowed to send emails. Is
It
that
is
all?
a CRM.
Pardon me?
It is a CRM.
It is. Okay.
You get access to a CRM and all your contacts. And I say probably the thing that's used most besides the website is marketing services. So you don't have to build the website. We'll just do it for you.
Okay. Is that that's included in the fee that I've paid?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's all I have for this morning.
Yeah. They
Thank
will do it for you. Okay. Thanks, Harvey. Nice to see you.
Thank
Audrey,
you.
Audrey, Mitzi, and then I think we're going to be out of here.
Okay, well, my first thing was I didn't know where the hand had disappeared, and I guess when I raised it and the electronic hand went up, it's no longer on my icons. Okay, that was my first surprise. Secondly, I saw Sandy Toe's avatar, and it's incredible. So I want to ask, I'm a fidgeter, but is there any way I can sit and do my avatar? That's why I procrastinated versus standing.
Yes.
Okay, that would be awesome.
Here's
Just make sure your camera is way, way back.
Way back. I've heard.
Cheryl Coco.
yes,
Okay.
way back, 10 feet away. Be
Way back. Okay.
10 feet away, Robert, not 6 feet 10, because
Okay.
size is variable.
I'll get my measuring tape out and make sure it's
There you
way back.
go.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Love to you. Mitzi, what's happening?
So if I haven't sort of been up to date on everything that's been going on in the last month or two, what videos, what things should I kind of go to get caught up on stuff?
So you can go to our very last overview kind of video, which I think was about 2 weeks ago on our Nowsite Facebook page, but then you'll kind of catch up with everything if you just come tomorrow at 12 noon.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I have a meeting. Now, where will that recording be when it's done? Because I actually have a meeting.
It will be on our Nowsite Facebook page.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Also, I like the best place for a beginner, a new person, is somebody to go to, like, just kind of get started, get caught up, right? Like, instead of kind of like watching the videos, I think it's to go to Elizabeth. Elizabeth does a training every single weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern time. It is not like this at all, right? It's like designed for the beginner. She does a really great job. And it's like how to just like do my AI and kind of walk you through the basic steps of my AI. She's really kind. She's really patient. She was meant for it. She does a fantastic job. This is a bit of a, it's a bit of a Cheryl Coco. It's a bit of a whirlwind, right? Like you can ask anything. You can go anywhere. It could be, this I think is often indicative of a can you stump Cheryl Coco kind of game.
What's the link for that 11 a.m.?
Same here. We don't like to change anything links around there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love that you just made yourself an adjective, by the way. I think I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, we Cheryl Coco around here. It's wild. Elizabeth is fantastic. And I would highly recommend going there for sure. So hopefully that helps. Look, tomorrow is the big day, the biggest day, my biggest day. Typically I'm like, very excited and a little bit nervous, but I think I'm all the things, for tomorrow. Nervous, excited, everything. So, the date, Elizabeth does a training Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time. Nowsite.online. It's for the basics. It's every single weekday. She's great. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. There's so many kind of things happening. I'm excited for it. Okay. All right. Me too. Like if there's ever been a secret kept by Cheryl Coco, it'd finally be let out like a hot air balloon tomorrow. Oh, good. Go ahead, Jean. Last one.
Well, real quick, Kevin asked at the very beginning, how was the trip?
It was good. Yeah. Yes,
Anything exciting from the event? Or?
I don't know. It was a bit of a whirlwind. I think you know, what can I? Who was there with me? Tony was there, who is here right now. Melanie was there, who is our new head of business development. She's fantastic. And what's it called? Adrian, of course, Alex, who's great. I was Cheryl Cocoing, as Keisha would say. So basically, I was in and out kind of, running back and forth, never standing in one spot, which is great, but they had an amazing time. So yes. Tom was there. Tom is always fantastic. I really liked Todd. He was fantastic, as well as Ray and Pat Quinn. He was great too. Some things just stand out. The hero of the entire event, though, and I'm not just saying this because this person is here, but my own personal hero was Tony. If you're in marketing and your whole thing is like, get pictures, get this, do this, but you're kind of running around, right? Like the whole time you miss those things. Tony had been on it. Tony had taken so many great pictures of the event. And without her, I wouldn't have been able to post all of the fantastic things that we posted on social on our Nowsite page. Those are not Cheryl Coco pictures. Those are Tony pictures. So Tony saved my butt while we were there, and I appreciate it. Tony is fantastic and did a fantastic job. So it was a great event. We all had fun. This is my Tony. Tony, say hi, Tony. Where's Tony?
Hi, I'm right here.
There's Tony. Hey, let's put the spotlight. There's Tony. Tony was at the event with us. Tony is fantastic. She's a part of contact mapping close to Tom and Adrian, and was my personal savior at the event. So Tony, thank you so much. Every picture, Tony took the picture. She was great. I couldn't have done it without you. So thank you, Tony. Appreciate you.
Thank you. And it was great meeting you. I loved it.
She's so cute. Love her. All right. Are we good? Tomorrow at 12 noon Eastern time, you'll see what all of the I'll say this for Nowsite that is different than other companies. Lots of times we have there's lots and lots of hype, and then small on what is kind of shared. We are known for doing the exact opposite. We don't hype things up quite enough. We are giving it all of the hype that we have, and you'll get so much detail from tomorrow. Just be ready. Okay? Cool? All right. Perfect. Okay. All right, guys, I gotta run. Love you all, and I will see you tomorrow. Invite everybody, get everybody there, 12 noon. Nice to see you all. Love you.
Bye.
Brett Sipe, happy birthday. Had to yell that out. Bye, everybody.